How to fix too many friends on Snapchat iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Snapchat area, right? It will lead you to your camera section. Now, before we actually start, let me just remind you that Snapchat has the maximum of 2,500 friends. That means you can only add friends, or you can only have friends up onto 2,500. Then if you want to add more friends, then you have to remove your friends. And to do that is on the upper left, you will see your profile icon there. Tap on that. And what I want you to do next is to scroll down up until you see your friends section. You will see add friends there and your friends. Tap on my friends there, and here you will see the list of your friends. As you can see, I do not have that many friends. But let's say you want to add a specific person as your friend on Snapchat, then what you can do is to delete one from your friends. So let's say, and what you want to do is to choose that profile or to choose that friend that you want to remove first or to replace, then to just long press it, and here it will look like this. Now, what I want you to do next is to tap on manage friendship here and tap on remove friends. Now just confirm to remove that friend, and basically you can now add one more friend. So the more you want to add more friends, then the more you have to remove friends. So basically that is how you fix too many friends on Snapchat iPhone, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.